You can't knead the blanket. I'm making it.
This is our current situation. You can probably hear Murphy being unhappy about locked in his room, but we're replacing the floors right now. We're not replacing, they're tearing them all up. So they're working in this room right now to tear down the walls in there, and then they're going to tear the floor out of here, possibly part of the wall, and then all of this is going to come up. We're going to see if there's water damage past that. And then out here, Macy garage, they're going to be ripping off all of this and including where the water heater is.
There's fans everywhere. I'm finally dolled up after, I don't even know when the last time I put on makeup was, but I had an interview. So last week, so on Sunday, right before my house's water pipe burst, I actually had put together a brand new resume and revamped it. I mean, I first created it back in college, so it's been a long time. And then the very first job I applied to with my brand new resume, I ended up getting an interview, and I had that interview today, and it went really well. So it's a little race car.
Side by shot, so you're gonna have to get the views of it. You feel like I just don't care.
Okay, so I got a half day of work today because of Memorial Day, and I was gonna just go home, but Ryan has an employee that he helped hire when we first moved down here to Texas a few years ago, and she's having a baby, and so he asked me if I could, as long as it wasn't too stressful, if I could crochet her baby blanket, because it's, sweet. He wants to give her a present. And so I said I would. So I need to go get some yarn from Hobby Lobby.
Cancel, Stockman.
Cancel, Stockman. Krista Kobe, Krista Kobe.
Wrong one. This one. I think this is a good in between blue and green. Alright, so I just finished lunch and I was the only one in the restaurant until probably the last 5 minutes, and then this older couple came and it was really cute. The seats are so high up that my legs were like dangling off of the ground, and I had to kind of like scrunch down to eat my food because the table was shorter but the like booth seat was higher up, so that was fun. You being good, Murphy? I'm like getting your nails clipped, huh?
Yeah, the purring has begun.
Murphy is a self-care king. I finished the baby blanket for my husband's coworker. This is what it looks like. Has not really, it kind of looks gray, but it's more of this blue and green and white. Okay, you can kind of see the color a bit better. You can kind of see the color, but it's this blue with green. Her baby colors are green. So I did this. I thought it gave it more depth to have the two-tone, but it's very subtle. It's mixed with this white. And then this is what the yarn looked like. That's kind of the color palette. It's very soft. But yeah, all done. It took me, let's see, well, technically I started it for the last time last night because I didn't get the size right, so I started it over. It's for a newborn, so I didn't make it too big, but also I wasn't trying to take a lot of time doing it. But I do really like the pattern. I would definitely do it again.
I want to change. I want to contribute. You're saying I have to become a detective?
No, that was my solution. No doubt yours will be different.
So what do I become?
Got no idea. But if you really want to be a better person, I could help you figure it out.
So, you don't think Meredith Sage-Horn killed Heather Fulton?
We say the odds are pretty slim. Detective Farrar agrees. That said, we could still use your help. Even if Sage